At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, August 4, 2023, what to know as Nikola CEO steps down? Nikola stock is dropping on the news. Nikola stock is falling on news of its CEO stepping down. Michael Lohscheller is departing due to family health concerns. Replacing him is chairman of the board Steve Gursky. Nikola, Nasdaq NKLA, stock is making waves on Friday after the company announced that CEO Michael Lohscheller is stepping down. According to Nikola, Lohscheller is stepping down as CEO of the company effective immediately. However, he will continue to serve the company in an advisory role through September. Taking over the CEO position from Lohscheller is chairman of the board Steve Gursky. Investors will note that Nikola has been going through CEOs at a rapid rate. With Gursky taking over, that marks the fourth CEO the company has named in as many years. This comes after Lohscheller led the company for less than a year. Switching through CEOs at such a speedy rate isn't good news for the electric vehicle company. It can be seen as a sign of weakness by investors. Granted, in Lohscheller's case, his departure is due to a family health matter. How this affects Nikola stock? Shares of Nikola stock are falling on Friday and the CEO news is likely behind some of that movement. Another bit of news to consider is the latest earnings report released by Nikola today. That earnings release has Nikola reporting losses per share of 20 cents alongside revenue of $15.36 million. Those are mixed results compared to Wall Street's losses per share estimate of 22 cents and revenue estimate of $15.4 million. Nikola stock is down 11% as of Friday morning but is up 52.9% year-to-date as of yesterday's close. Nikola receives approval to increase share count. Nikola's future is in doubt after the sudden resignation of CEO Michael Lohscheller and a big quarterly loss. Nikola CEO Michael Lohscheller resigned after a big second quarter loss. The company needs to sell new shares to alleviate a cash crunch. It claims over 200 firm orders for its hydrogen-powered semi-truck. Troubled electric truck company Nikola scheduled a conference call for Friday morning at 10:30 Eastern Time to discuss a series of events that threaten its survival. Nikola stock is down over 10% this morning. Chief among them is the sudden resignation of Chief Executive Michael Lohscheller, effective immediately. Company Chairman Stephen Gursky will replace him. The company also announced a big second quarter loss, $218 million, 27 cents per share, on revenue of $15 million. The company produced 33 trucks and shipped 45 during the quarter. Revenue was down 15% from a year ago. Yesterday, Nikola stock rose on the results to $3.40 per share. But the price fell rapidly in pre-market trade this morning once Lohscheller's resignation was announced. By 8:30, it had fallen below $3 but then began recovering to open at about $3.10. Survival mode. Nikola now markets a hydrogen fuel cell semi-truck called the Hyla that claims a range of 500 miles on a fill-up, which can be done in 20 minutes. It says it has 202 firm orders for the vehicle from 18 different customers. Nikola originally tried to sell a truck powered by batteries, but it lacked range. Nikola started August 3 by celebrating a shareholder vote to increase the company's outstanding share count. The move may help alleviate a cash crunch and let it build out its orders. Nikola ended June with about $226 million in cash. The stock sale is aimed at keeping the electric semi-truck maker, founded in 2014 by Trevor Milton, alive. Milton resigned in 2020 and was convicted of securities fraud involving Nikola in 2022. Milton opposed the share increase. It was the Lohscheller resignation, however, that set off the bears. The company's press release on the decision said he needed more time with his family. Investors seemed to shrug off the loss and approve the dilution of a share count increase. What happens next? If management can explain Lohscheller's resignation to the satisfaction of shareholders, it might get the cash to fill its orders. But the company's fate remains up in the air. Thanks for watching.